Good morning to all. I am Professor Arvind Pandey. We are in high voltage engineering lab. Today we will perform next experiment. Aim of the experiment is to measure dielectric strength of liquid insulating material as per 6798. For a high voltage engineering lab, we require proper earthing for each and every equipment. So doing the practical in high voltage engineering lab, check proper earthing is connected to each and every kit. Let's see kit detail for the liquid insulating material. So this one is kit. What's going on? To understand the basic of this kit, first we use 230 volt AC supply, 50 Hz AC supply through this wire, and output of this kit is 60 kilovolt. Then we understand the control panel present on this kit. Here we use one measuring unit. It's measure high voltage. Then second, here one dimmer is used to gradually increase the voltage. There is one toggle switch. It is used to start the kit. Then here one ST switch, and these three are the indicators. If means on, ST will glow if we start this button. There is one yellow indicator and one red indicator to the left side. This yellow indicator indicates the unit ready for experimental performance. Then here one ST limit indicator, and this is push memory button. Let us see very important part of this experimental setup is test cell. This is oil test cell. We measure dielectric strength of liquid insulating material. Here we place two semi-hemisphere electrode in liquid. Basically we use different type of liquid for insulating purpose, but here we use transformer oil as a insulating material. Basic specification of this test cell is, as per IS 6798, is the electrode used in this liquid, that is copper. Shape of this electrode is semi-hemisphere. Distance between two electrode is 2.5 mm, and specification of this test cell is 100. Specification of this test cell is as per IS, that is Indian Standard 6798. We place this test cell in between transformer. We fix it properly. Then we close the door. So next step is to start the experiment. First switch on the MCB, then switch on the supply. After that, in this kit, here one input switch, we start this input switch. So here our unit is ready. In this yellow indicates the unit is ready for experiment. Then we start the ST on. This red indicate the ST is ready for experiment. Then after that we vary the input voltage gradually as per IS standard, and this after this increasing input voltage, this meter show voltage apply across insulating material. So we start the practical. Here we check the breakdown voltage through this push memory button. It show 33 kV. Keep dimmer to the 0 position and switch off the main switch. After that, repeat this procedure for 5 times and take reading for every time. Then with the interval of 5 minutes, we summarize all the 5 reading and take average of the all reading. To get average breakdown voltage, once we find average breakdown voltage, we are able to calculate dielectric strength of oil insulating material by formula average breakdown voltage divided by distance between electrode, and that is 2.5 mm fixed.